measuringhistory.com asks, why use the outer planets to measure history? Two simple reasons. People make history, and the outer planets match the scale of history. We'll demonstrate this by looking at 4 charts. We have Bob and Julie, born in '64, a week apart, October 7th, October 14th. And then Zara and Ahmad, born in the same city as Julie and Bob, but obviously from different cultures, judging by their name. And they were born in '65, October 7th, October 14th again. And we can see when we look at we'll see the full chart and then the inner planets and then the full chart for Bob and then the outer planets. And then we'll do the same thing for Julie. See the full chart, then the inner planets for Julie, and then again we'll see the full chart and the outer planets for Julie. And what we should notice is that the outer planets stay in the same sign, in the same house, over a week's time, whereas the inner planets have moved into a whole bunch of different houses. And there's the planets there: Sun, Moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars. Those are the inner planets, and then the outer planets: Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. And you'll notice that the inner planets have a scale of 29.5 days for the Moon, up to 2 years for Mars. And then the outer planets have a range from 12 years to 249 years for Pluto. So the outer planets move quite a bit less. What does this tell us? The inner planets specify, the outer planets collectivize. What I mean by that is that the outer planets, being in the same sign and the same houses, stand for the way that during a generation people have the same experiences, the same view of life, the same zeitgeist. On the other hand, the inner planets, there's 10,000 people born a day. The inner planets are going to be in many different positions for all the different charts that are for the people born within a week or within a year. All the inner planets will be in millions of different positions, showing how each person has an individual view of the common experience. So again, the outer planets are a common experience. The inner planets show how people have individual experiences based around the same common experiences. And history is a common experience. We all experience history. Either history that comes down from the past, and also through our lives, we see how history is made. We are part of that. It's really that simple. Once we realize that, then we can begin to put the outer planets in different patterns, as you can see, where we have the Neptune-Pluto wave, and that just by putting planets together, we increase the range of history, and that gives us more to work with. So really, it's very simple. The inner planets specify, the outer planets collectivize, and that's why the outer planets show the common experience. The next video will show us how we use those outer planets to interpret history. And speaking of the next video, you'll be able to catch these on measuringhistory.com, the Measuring History channel on YouTube, and also make sure you visit Measuring History on Facebook. Thanks for watching.